Now, students, comes to our next topic, example related to manager commission. A and B are partner sharing profit in the ratio of 3 is to 2. Here, partners profit sharing ratio is 3 is to 2. So, we distribute our profit in the ratio 3 is to 2 with the capital of rupees 5 lakh and 3 lakh respectively. Respectively means A's capital is 5 lakh and B's capital is 3 lakh in the sequence. Interest on capital is agreed at the rate 6% per annum. B is to be allowed an annual salary of rupees 60,000. Here annual salary is given. During the year 2019-20, the profits prior to the calculation of interest on capital but after charging B's salary amounted to rupees 1,80,000. Students, consider here profit is given after charging B's salary. It means when we charge manager's commission, that time first of all we will add our salary in the profit. Then after we will charge our manager commission. A provision of 5% of the profit is to be made in respect of commission to the manager. Students, here no any information given, it is before or after, so we will assume before charging. Prepare profit and loss appropriation account and showing the distribution of profit and the partners capital account for the year ending 31st March 2020. So students, now come to the solution. We will make profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 2020 because our year ending is 31st March 2020. First of all, we will write here profit for the year. Don't write here P&L account. We will write here profit. 2,40,000. 2,40,000 how came? 180 plus 60. Manager commission, we will charge 2,40,000, 5%, 12,000 it will be. Now we will get our difference 2,28,000. This 2,28,000 will be our net profit and this we will transfer in P&L appropriation account credit side by P&L account 2,28,000. Then we write in the debit side B's salary 60,000. Then interest on capital, it we will charge on capital. At the last we will find our difference we will transfer in profit transfer to capital account. A and B 72,000 and 48,000. Total will come 1,20,000. 1,20,000 we will distribute in their profit sharing ratio, which is 3 is to 2. Now we will make partners capital account. Partners capital account. First of all, we will write opening balance. So we will write here by balance BD 5 lakh 3 lakh. Then we will write by salary 60,000. Only B salary is given here. A salary is not given. So in A we will not write or record it. Then by interest on capital 30,000 and 18,000. After that we will write P&L appropriation account. It is 72,000 and 48,000. At the last we will again find our difference. This is two balance CD 6,02,000 and 4,26,000. Students, manager commission we record in P&L account and it we will not record in partners capital account. Thank you students.